Next section, conflict. Objectives. Overview, meaning of conflicts, definition of conflicts, causes of conflict, types of conflict, conflict episode, resolution of conflicts, conflict management models, relation between frustration and conflict, conflict versus health, conflict versus nursing. Detail going on. Overview. The conflict that occurs within an individual. This form of conflict occurs in an intrapersonal level. The phenomenon is natural and occurs in everyone. The conflict does not always occurs between two opposing motives and may also feel torn between two different pleasures. Another circumstances may be that the individual is forced to choose between two pains. Meaning of conflict. A state of disharmony between incapable or antithetical persons, ideas or interests. Look at this picture. Can you define conflict? In psychology, conflict is a psychic struggle, often unconscious, resulting from the opposition or frustration. Causes of conflict. First, individual differences. Second, cultural differences. Third, class interests. Fourth, social change. Other causes of conflicts. First, conflict resources. We all need access to certain resources. When more than one person or group needs access to a resource, conflict can occur. Second, conflicting style. Everyone works differently according to his or her individual needs and personality. When working styles clash, conflict can often occur. 3. Conflicting perceptions. All of us see the world through our own lens and differences in perception of events can cause conflict. 4. Conflicting goals. Sometimes we have conflicting goals in our work. 5. Conflicting pressures. Conflicting pressures are similar to conflicting goals. Next, we are going to deal with types of conflict. There are 3 types of conflicts. 1. Intrapersonal conflicts. 2. Interpersonal conflicts. 3. Unconscious conflict. Detail going on. First, intrapersonal conflicts. These are the conflicts caused within the individual. It caused by psychological maladjustment. It has been divided into A. Approach to approach conflict, B. Avoidance to avoidance conflict, C. Single approach avoidance conflict, D. Double approach avoidance conflict. Detail about each types. First, approach to approach conflicts. People are attracted about equally to goals, but carrying out one goal means abandoning the other. For example, you have to choose between buying a car or traveling to Europe. Look at this picture. Look at this picture, illustrative diagram. Goal plus a person struggle to choose, cause conflict. Approach to approach conflict. B. Avoidance to avoidance conflict. Detail. Organism approach an unattractive choice. It became more repellent. Avoidance to avoidance conflicts arise a great deal of anxiety. People are likely to hesitate between the unpleasant alternatives and attempt to escape from the conflict. Look at this diagram. Goal minus. So both goals are negative. A person try to avoid it. C. Approach to avoidance conflict. The individual encounters a choice between positive and negative conflict. There are two types. One, single approach to avoidance conflict. Two, double approach to avoidance conflict. Look at this picture. Express about a person, two goals, one plus, other minus. Approach to avoidance. Detail about single approach to avoidance conflict. A single option, in other words, has a bittersweet quality. For example, applying career may require a lots of education. A luxurious car is costly. Look at this illustrative diagram. Single approach to avoidance. Second, double approach to avoidance conflict. Have two goals, each with good and bad points. For example, the only available job is dull but will provide income. Look at this illustrative diagram. Goal plus minus, person. Goal plus minus, double, approach to avoidance. Second, interpersonal conflicts, detail. Interpersonal conflict is caused between individuals. It may be called as social conflict. Associative behavior, and I am okay, you are okay. Interpersonal orientation help to resolve such conflicts easily. The unconscious conflict. Freud's theory. The unconscious mind is a reservoir of feelings, thoughts, urges, and memories that outside of our conscious awareness. The conflict in conscious level, when repressed, shift to unconscious. Many of our wants raised by id may not be socially acceptable. Such wants are objected by the ego and superego. Hence, these are repressed to unconscious. Next, we are going to deal with conflict episode. Every conflict started with latent conflict. The conflict within the mind is invisible. Second, perceived conflict by means of perception, seeing, hearing, touching, etc. 3. Felt conflict. Feel about conflict, change, emotions. 4. Manifest conflict. This episode express conflict behaviors. 5. Conflict aftermath. Every conflict ended with resolution. So these are the 5 episodes of conflicts. Types of conflict theory. 1. Functionalism. 2. Critical theory. 3. Feminist theory. 4. Postmodern theory. Resolution of conflict. Some conflicts are of great danger to mental health of the individual. Hence, it is necessary to resolve them as quickly as possible. Conflict management models. Handling interpersonal conflicts. 5 types. 1. Forcing. 2. Withdrawing. 3. Smoothing. 4. Compromising. 5. Problem solving. 5 steps to managing the conflict. 1. Anticipate. Take time to obtain information that can lead to conflict. 2. Prevent. Develop strategies before the conflict occurs. 3. Identify. It is interpersonal or procedural. Move to quickly manage it. 4. Manage. Remember that conflict is emotional. 5. Resolve. React without blame, and you will learn through dialogue. Relation between frustration and conflict. Frustration is condition of conflict. unpleasant stimuli, frustration, cause conflict. Anger management. 6 great ways to escape your anger. 1. Cry. 2. Punch. 3. Write. 4. Exercise. 5. Talk. 6. Create arts. Conflict versus health. Process. Unpleasant stimuli. Frustration, conflict or anger. Cause stress. Stress affects every aspect of health, physical, mental, as well as social well-beings. Frustration and conflict versus nursing. The study of frustration and conflict is essential in nursing to nursing assessment. As a nurse should be assess the conflict of the client. What are the conflict in client mind? Assess by means of various psychological tests. Diagnosis, which help to better diagnosis, to identify the client needs. Care plan, which help to formulate client oriented care plan. Treatment, it is essential for client oriented treatment plan. Psychotherapy, it is a medicine. Avoidance of conflict and conflict management is a medicine to treat the various diseases. Example, to manage the stress and anxiety. Promotion of health, it's help to promote holistic health, physical health, mental health and social well-being. Nursing education, it is essential for better and reasonable education give to student nurses and create pleasant nursing educational environment. Conflict management in every level, in educational setting, in clinical setting. Thank you. Have a nice day.